In this video, I'll show you how to create a text box with a border and without a border. So I've got two text boxes here. You can see this one here has a border. You can see this one here does not have a border. Let me show you how I did that. First off, I'll delete both of them. And then to create a text box, go to Insert, and you have Text Box. So click on this. And then depending on which version of Microsoft Word you're using, you should have an option that just says Draw Text Box. So I'll draw a text box. I've put some text in there. I'll highlight it. I'm going to go to Home. I'll just make the text bigger so you can see it. So there we have it. There is a text box, but you want to remove the line around it, the border. So the way to do it is to click on it and make sure you select the text box. So you're not clicking away from it or anything. You just need to make sure you're clicking on the text box. And when you click on it, you have Shape Format appear. Click on that. And then Shape Outline, you need to choose No Outline. And that is how you remove the border from it. An alternative way, and I'm just going to undo what I've done there to show you. An alternative way is if you click on the box, go to Shape Format. In this Shape Styles area, which is where we clicked on this, if you click on this small arrow here in the corner, on the right hand side, you'll get more options. You have a fill option and a line option. I'll click on line, and you can choose no line. Click away from it, and you can see that this text box now does not have a line on it. You can move this text box to where you want it to be, just like this. And now you have your text box exactly how you wanted it. Hopefully you found this video useful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more top tech tips.